your ass at? Hey, could you turn me up some more? Right there. Or maybe I could. Yeah. Taylor Gang, 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 Taylor Gang.
You know I'm reppin' Taylors. On my way from Cali, so you know I'm smoking flavors. Hey, fuck them a bunch, you know we're only smoking papers. And I throw it up so they can know just what my game is. Motherfucker hater.
Left the crib with 10 grand, bought 100 pair. I'm the coach, I can show you how to be a player. 5/8 is the fitted, bitches love my hair. Camo shorts go with anything I wanna wear. They let me in the club, fuck the dress code. Me and all my niggas rolling up the best smoke. OG Kush from the West Coast. Oh, you down to fuck? Shorty, let's go. Diamonds in my chain, niggas tryna steal my lane. Chronic in my brain, bitch, I'm reppin' Taylor Gang. Smoke till I'm insane, drinking till I'm throwing up. Only papers if you Taylor, nigga, throw it up. High